Hi, adding GigHQ to ChatGPT is pretty easy. This can be done by going to the web app. So go to chatgpt.com and then make sure you're logged into your account. And then on the left sidebar, if you don't see it, you can expand the sidebar by hitting the link here. Go under More, go under Apps. And here you have to hit the little cog settings icon here. What you're going to want to do is go under Advanced Settings and enable Developer Mode. And this is a temporary workaround. We've submitted the GigHQ MCP server to OpenAI for approval. And while that's being approved, this is kind of the way to use it. So once you've done that, you'll notice that the Create app is enabled. If you hit that, now you can just kind of go through and set up the GigHQ server. So give it a name. You can give it a description, something simple that it helps you remember what it is. And then you put the URL in. So the URL I will share in the notes, but it's really simple. It's just https://mcp.gighq.ai/mcp. And you want to leave the authentication as OAuth. See, I understand the risks, and then hit create. This will take a few seconds to run. It's going to reach out to our servers and verify that it can talk to us. And then you kind of see that because I'm already logged into the GigHQ web app, it kind of showed the pop-up and proceeded forward. They're now basically exchanging a handshake that allows the two systems to talk. And that's really it. And you're done. And now you see it available here. Ignore the fact that it says dev. That's just a temporary thing. Once we fix that, that'll be done. And you'll see all the tools that are available listed here. And that's honestly it. And then you can just start interacting with it. And the other nice thing is if you have the desktop app, even though you can't set up GigHQ from the desktop app, but now if you kind of go into your desktop app, you go under your settings down here and look at apps, you'll notice that that's also enabled here in the very same way. Now that you have the desktop app open, you can actually interact with your GigHQ data both in the desktop app and the web app. So you can just come in here and say some applications in GigHQ. And you'll see that it recognizes that you're trying to get the data from GigHQ. And it'll kind of go through and it basically says, hey, this is the link to the dashboard. This is your activity. This is kind of where you are. And that's basically it. Super simple, super easy. And you could essentially do that same action from the web app as well. So your tool of choice, whether you use the web app or the desktop app, both are available. Just have to set it up currently from the web app first, and then it's available in both places. If you have any questions, definitely reach out in the comments below.